What's up, everybody? Today we're doing black cherry because a wise man once said, the darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. And if you want to learn how to make it, follow me. Starting from the left, we've got 45 grams gelatin, 30 grams pure cane sugar, 185 grams applesauce, 125 grams black cherry gelatin, 1.5 of these. We're keeping it simple today. And finally, 337 grams of corn syrup. Along with that flavored gelatin, we're gonna hit it with some black cherry flavoring. And we've got 2 ounces of our favorite oil with 1 level tablespoon scoop of lecithin granules. And as you can see, they're already ready already. Alrighty? I knew the lineup didn't look right. We've got 7.5 grams of cream of tartar and 3 solid pinches of malic acid. First into the pot, sugar, followed by the gelatin and the gelatin. Let's give those a little swirly swirl. Next in, corn syrup. Curse splat. Next, applesauce. And let's mix them up. And let's hit it with a couple squirts. Squirt, squirt. Now let's give her a little taste-a-roo. See how it do. 1 more squirt. And I'm gonna switch to this. All right, let's let that sit for that 7 to 10 minutes to allow that gelatin to bloom, and it's off to the races. All right, we're gonna add that oil to the batch. You cannot see what I'm doing over here. Now we stir for roughly 2 to 5 minutes. This is a 50% increase on this batch, so it's probably going to be closer to 5. Once that's all done, I'll be back. Just keep stirring, and eventually it'll all work out. I'll be back when the rolling boil starts. We've made it to that rolling boil, so let's add those acids. And we will continue to do this for another 2 minutes, and then it's time to pour. All right, here we go. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, black cherry, the easy way. And if you decide to make it and you're getting hung up on the details, you know what to do. And if you haven't already, watch this video right there. Until next time, I'm Burns. Bye.